Got a call from a customer today and wanted me to squeeze them in really badly.
Some carpet repair. I'm only in town for the rest of the day, so if you can call me, I would appreciate that. I'd like you to see, one, if you can repair, but I don't think you can.
What I love is a challenge, and this guy said he did not think that this could be repaired. So instantly I'm like, okay, yeah, let's do this. Someone dropped bleach on this carpet. It's a really dense material here. And I get this all the time. I mean, clearly this wasn't a professional, someone who tried to dye the carpet and they just gave up on it. So I know the dye guys out there could probably do so much better, but by the time I get to them, this is how they look. But here's the issue. I'm not gonna be able to repair this. Not by my choice, but by the customer. They don't have residual carpet. My recommendation, as always, is if there's no closet or residual carpet, let's take it from another spot that's hidden. We'll use that material to go back in the damaged spot, and then we'll put something similar back in that chosen donor area. But he's not willing to do it. He's gonna replace. I said, okay, here's how confident I am that I can take care of this for you. I will do the repair, and if you're not 100% satisfied, I will not charge you. You're gonna replace it anyway, so there's no risk. Even with that, he still is unwilling to have me do this repair. So it's like I'm almost willing to pay this guy money for me to do this because I want to repair it so badly. That's how much I love this. What's the matter with me? Okay, I am gonna have to forego on repairing you. All right. I know I got problems, right? I just want to fix it. So that's why I always try to take the time with my customers to explain the process, to eliminate the potential of wasting my time coming out to a job if they're not already convinced and ready to go. This is one of those rare occasions where I wasn't able to work my magic, sweet talk them into the repair, and then wow them with the results afterwards. So I'm gonna just have to let this one go. It's tough. I wish I could do it. Oh, I love these type of jobs. I love a challenge, and definitely feel like I could really repair this one. All right. Well, I'm gonna have to say bye. On to the next one.